With this Madras kit, I'm going to show you how to make a tangy South Indian dish. It's really easy to use because it's got all the aromatic spices in there. You just need a few extra ingredients and then we can get cooking. Empty bag 1 into a spice grinder, blender or pestle and mortar and whizz to a fine powder. Place the ground powder into a bowl, pour in bag 2, then mix together. Place your main ingredient into a large bowl, then sprinkle with 2 or 3 tablespoons of the Madras powder and add some salt to taste. Stir to coat everything, then leave to marinade. Heat the oil in a cast iron pan and add bag 3. As soon as the seeds pop, add the diced onion to soften on a gentle heat for about 20 minutes until they turn a rich dark brown colour. Meanwhile, empty bag 4 into a bowl and add 150 ml of hot water. Leave to soften, then mash with a fork to produce the tamarind water. Once the onions are soft, add the chopped garlic, ginger and chillies. Keep stirring as these can catch on the bottom of the pan. If this happens, just add a splash of water. After a few minutes, add the tomatoes and sieve in the tamarind water. Bring everything to the boil, then reduce the heat to create a thick masala sauce. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Then increase the heat and stir in the marinated ingredients to coat with the sauce. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover and leave to simmer gently, stirring occasionally. Check the seasoning, then sprinkle in the fresh coriander and serve with some plain basmati rice or naan.